welcome back. I am Crypto Mystery Cash and this is my channel. This is a channel who can make money with cryptocurrency or make money online. So you can look up the channel and last investment project and many free project, or you can simply come to my Telegram group and ask for any help. So for today I will show you a free airdrop on Ethereum. So basically we will claim a lot of Ethereum, but before start explain how to claim this Ethereum and make this useful, maybe some of you maybe know this airdrop, or how to say, tokens, but the point is this is a new layer of Ethereum. Basically it's like Ethereum, and then was became the Arbitrum, and now it's sepolia. Basically there is a many kinds of Ethereum, but this is the new. So basically you can claim 0.5 Ethereum every single day, but to you can claim the free tokens. It's basically it's super easy. Just copy your address. I will pass links in description, of course, but please watch this video till the end, because you must learn how to make your tokens useful, because basically you're claiming a free tokens, but you must learn how to move them between the layers and make them useful, and in the end withdraw on Ethereum itself. And this is the Ethereum sepolia faucet. So basically he gives you 0.5 Ethereum every single day. Just pass your address. You need a MetaMask. If you use another wallet, you will not able to use the layers. So if you cannot use the layers, your token is basically useless. So you must use MetaMask, that's for sure. So I will click I will claim quickly just to show how the faucet works, but the faucet is not a problem. The claiming tokens here is very easy, but the other part is very hard. So I just pass the address and press this button, but it seems I have claimed my Ethereum for 24 hours. Let's try again. Okay, but you need to make account here. Here you will see just log out. You must create an account. It's here, and after making the account, choose let's see, you have three options to choose, but your goal is to claim tokens. So I cannot go further. I'm afraid I cannot reverse this process. So it's easy to make account, and after claiming the Ethereum, so basically every 24 hours you can claim Ethereum sepolia. So as you can see, I have now $335, but because I claimed the sepolia tokens, I can just I told you I said that the claiming tokens, it's easy. The hard part is moving through the layers or moving the tokens through the network. So I will explain as simple as I can. So as you can see, now is sepolia network. So where is my Ethereum? So now is on screw sepolia. It's on screw sepolia Ethereum. So what is the final goal? The final goal is the mainnet of sepolia Ethereum. So how the whole process goes? Just after open this link, I will pass this link. Don't try to connect your the wallet, just paste in your MetaMask and add the layer. So you will see this, just this link, just pass to your MetaMask and add the sepolia network just to be able to claim the tokens. Then add the screw sepolia just to have it, because the next stage is the bridge where you can transfer from layer 1 to layer 2. So if uh, if you cannot connect, just go to documentation here, and you will find down here set up your wallet. So here you can set up manually. So this is how can manually set up your wallet. So but after you pass the link into the MetaMask, I think it will be not problem. But without MetaMask, this whole process it's can be possible. So basically, after claiming on sepolia you go to screw. So into the screw, you basically just but you must be on sepolia, on that network which you claim the tokens. So after that uh, just first you go to bridge and deposit all your Ethereum. Then after 7 or 14 hours you will, but before withdraw, here click on withdraw, and here step 2, before claim you must add your screw sepolia network. Why it doesn't come back? So you deposit on sepolia, you withdraw on screw sepolia test network. So you must add this layer. So second you go add this. So after adding this, you come back to the bridge after 7 or 40 hours. I don't know how much will long will take, and you go to withdraw. So just claim it, and you after that you will have the Ethereum on uh, scroll sepolia. So the next goal, after getting all the tokens on screw sepolia, you you change the network, of course, to screw sepolia, and you deposit into the second bridge. That's here. Because I deposited all, I cannot deposit again. And after depositing there, after 14 hours or 7 or 1 hour, I don't know, you can withdraw from here. So after this, basically the next step, this is the final stages. So recently there was no other layers, but the next layer from this, so you can claim basically 0.5 Ethereum every single day, and convert to the second layer, and then just wait to be transferred to the mainnet. So this is the mainnet. The final goal is to the tokens come here. So it's I think we need to wait to happen that, but it will be before some while. Not even the second layer existed, so I see hope for these tokens. So if you need some help, come to my Telegram group. I will explain. Just click on the, just add the claim on the first layer, then add the second, screw sepolia, deposito scroll, withdraw from scroll, and you will have tokens prepared for mainnet. So that was basically all. I have around 3 Ethereum, and approximately 2 hours I will claim 0.5 again. So if you have some question, come to my Telegram group, I will explain. So that was all guys. Bye.